Hello. On today's Head Talk on ID Med Health, we'll be discussing the reasons why cancer patients do shave their heads. But before then, it's essential to note what cancer is. Cancer, from a general perspective, is the abnormal growth of the body cells. And when this happens, these abnormal cells invade other parts of the body. It's equally important to know this. Not every tumor is cancerous. A tumor can be benign or malignant. When it's benign, it means it's not life-threatening. Okay, a benign tumor can grow, but it cannot spread to other body parts. Whereas a malignant tumor is a cancerous tumor. It can grow and it has the ability to spread to other body parts. Cancer is non-communicable, meaning it can be passed from one person to the other. When we talk about the causes of cancer, we say it is multifactorial, meaning there are many things contributing to it. You don't hold one particular factor responsible for a particular type of cancer. Let's take a look at some of the common causes and risk factors of cancer. Here we can say genetic factors. Some families have genes that can predispose them to developing cancer, and this gene can be passed from parents to offspring. Okay, another important factor to consider are the environmental factors, which could be your exposure to carcinogens. Carcinogens are the things that can cause cancer. Okay, they could be toxins, they could be chemicals, they could be pollution, and many of them. Another important factor we'll be looking at is your lifestyle choices. Okay, lifestyle choices like alcoholism, smoking, living sedentary lifestyle, that's physical inactivity, and others are risk factors, which means they would make you prone to developing cancer in the future. Infectious agents can also contribute to increased risk of developing some certain kinds of cancer. For instance, the human papilloma virus can lead to an increased risk of developing cervical cancer. Also, hepatitis B and C viruses can equally lead to developing liver cancer. Age is an important risk factor too to consider. We equally know that the older one grows, the more susceptible he or she becomes to developing some certain kinds of diseases, which could be because of decrease in the immune strength and other related reasons. So age can lead to an increased risk factor of developing cancer. Okay, here are the reasons why cancer patients do shave their heads. But it's also necessary you note that not every cancer patient shaves his or her hairs. Okay, Shaving of hair is usually a personal decision. You might decide to leave it, you might decide to shave it. The major reason most cancer patients shave their hairs is this: the side effect of cancer treatment is usually hair loss. Okay, and in order to look good, for convenience sake, they decide to shave off everything in order to look good. Also, some do it for psychological empowerment, okay, to show that really I am ready to fight this disease. Okay, some equally shave so that wearing wig, hat, scarf, and others can be comfortable. Okay, let's take a look at some of the symptoms of cancer. On a general note, each or the different kinds of cancer might present different symptoms at different levels. Okay, some people can experience unexplained weight loss, fatigue, pain, abnormal bleeding, persistent coughing, changes on the skin, breast, and other numerous symptoms. That is why it's very, very important to always go for checkup, because early detection can save you from the crazy effects that might arise from cancer. Cancer is the respecter of no one. So always make it a point of duty to go for checkups, because early detection is key. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next head talk on ID Med Health. Ideal Med Health, creating a healthy world.